Honey, come quick. We have an invitation from Twily. What? What for? Apparently she's throwing a big dinner for the new baby Flurry Heart. That sounds amazing. The Delic Boy to TV. Okay, Shining Armor, why don't you go get Flurry Heart, and I'll go get ready. Okay. Flurry Heart, come on down. We're gonna go see Aunt Twily. Twily! Aunt Twily! Yay! Flurry Heart, where'd you go? There you are. Come on, we have to see Aunt Twily. Yay! Twily! Yay! Okay, Shining Armor, I'm ready. How do I look? Oh, you look absolutely fabulous, Princess Cadance. Oh, I can't wait to see my sis. Oh, it's going to be absolutely lovely. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Meanwhile at Twilight's Kingdom. Oh, my new experiment is going absolutely fabulous. I just have to make sure everything is ready. And then, oh yes, I have to get ready for Shining Armor's visit. What am I thinking? They're here. I gotta go. Hello, Twilight. Hi, we brought baby Flurry Heart for the special dinner. Oh, thank you so much for coming. Come on in. Thank you. Oh, very lovely. So what do we have planned? Well, I thought we could invite all of my friends over to celebrate with us. That sounds absolutely fabulous, darling. Let's do it. Okay, I'll go give them a call. Ding dong! Oh, one of them isn't here. I wonder who it is. Hello, darling. It's so wonderful to see you. Yes. Oh, I can't wait to see the new baby again. Hello, Shining Armor. Hi, Cadance. Oh, I'm so happy I could make it. Oh, where's the little one? There she is. Hello. Thanks for coming, you guys. Do you know if AJ, Rainbow Dash, and everyone else are coming? They should be here soon. They said they had to stop and get some presents. What? Presents? They must be here. Hey, Twilight! Hey, Shining Armor, how's it going? Oh, hey. Howdy, Twilight. Now, where's the little filly we've been hearing so much about since our last visit to the Crystal Empire? This dinner is gonna be absolutely great. Huh, I wonder where Pinkie Pie is. She's never normally late to a party. Sorry, I'm late, guys. I just had to get a present for the little filly. Oh, hey, Pinkie Pie. The filly's over here. Yay! What's the helmet for? This is her present. Doesn't it look absolutely amazing? Why would she need a helmet? Of course, for the motorbike I got her. Pinkie Pie, I don't think you know what age she is. I do. She was just born, and she's definitely old enough for a motorbike. Oh, no. What have I gotten myself into? Okay, Flurry Heart, time for your gift. Here it is. It fits just perfectly. Ah! Yay! You're gonna have so much fun with the motorbike. What? What did you say? A motorbike? Pinkie, no! Come on, Flurry Heart. Let's go. Shh. have to stop them. Let's go, gals. We have to stop it before Flurry Heart gets in danger. Oh, this is absolutely dreadful, just dreadful. Wow, we have to save Flurry Heart. Oh, Pinkie Pie, always getting into trouble. Let's see what she's up to. Okay, Flurry Heart, here it is. Plunk. It's upside down. Yay, 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 yay. Oh, phew. That's not a motorbike. Well, I know that, but I can't give her a real one. She's too young. She just can play until she's old enough. Thank you, Pinkie Pie, but you really worried us. I'm sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching my very first ever My Little Pony play thing that I'm going to be putting on my channel. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this, as well as gaming videos and all sorts of other things. So I will see y'all next time. Bye, 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 bye. Say bye, Pinkie Pie. Bye. The Delic Boy to TV.